I want you to be my lady.
And I do have somewhere to leave, and I want to be leaving shortly. Right now I'm just adding this, hold on, I need some more, I'm dry. I'm adding this Bath and Body Works Vanilla Nourishing Lip Mask. This is what we are putting on our lips. Okay, you guys, you're back. You're back. I'm back. I finally figured out a better setup so I can really see my makeup. So I hope you guys are close enough. We're going to celebrate our anniversary. I'm taking my Rimmel London Brow This Way pencil, and I'm just gonna lightly trace a little outside of my brows, so I'm not right on where my hair is, but a little underneath them, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna fill these in, and I'll come right back.
And I wanna talk for a little while. I never really seen your type, but I must admit that I kinda like. So maybe if you have the time, we could talk about you being my sweet lady. Would you be my sweet love for a lifetime? I'll be there when you need me. Just call and receive me, la da 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 da. Lady, I want you to be my lady. Now on the regular, I will waste time, but I don't want to, 'cause you're so damn fine. And I heard that you were taken, that don't have to stop you from making late night phone
So now I'm going
calls
to proceed to mix these two concealers.
and ways to get it on when you need
And
me.
then the same
I
one
will
in
be
the color
there for
coffee.
you, my sweet lady.
I'm gonna just,
Sweet lady.
you know, sculpt out my brows.
A lifetime, I'll be there when you need me. Just call and receive me, la da 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 da. Oh, I want you to be my lady, lady. Oh, I want you, want you, want you, want you, want you to be my sweet lady. Yeah. Come in, come in, come in, come in.
And I'm going to just put that all over my lid as like eyeshadow base.
I love you. I love you unfiltered, baby girl. You don't need no makeup. And you ain't gotta worry about a thing now, baby. Just wake up. I know you get this all the time from a man. Trust me, I get it, yeah, I understand. But what if I show you I'm him? I'm not somebody who'll love you naked. You ain't gotta ever ask for love. Here you go, take it. I'm not somebody who sees a wall and breaks it. Girl, I'm ready to fight just to see what's lost behind your flaws. Let me love you naked. Yeah, 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 naked. Yeah, 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 naked. Oh, oh, oh. I watch when you sleep in the morning, we sex in the nighttime. Nighttime. I can't keep my hands off you, baby, 'cause damn it, you're so fine. Yeah. I'll lift you up whenever you're down. I'll be a king, but you wear the crown. Girl, I'm trying to show you right now I'm not somebody who'll love you naked. You ain't gotta ever ask for love. Here you go, take it. I'm not somebody who sees a wall and breaks it. Girl, I'm ready to fight just to see what's lost behind your flaws. Let me love you naked. Yeah, 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 naked. Yeah, 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 need somebody to love is true.
I want to thank you guys so much for all the new subscribers, you guys. And thank you if you came here for my Sister Lock journey and you are watching something other than my Sister Locks. I appreciate it. And if you don't, like I always say, it's okay if other people are just like, I'm here for the locks and that's all. Like, that's okay. Because it's other people that are like the vlogs and the makeup and get ready with me. But if you are also here, you gotta let me know down in the comment section if you like. I came originally for the locks, but honey, we here for whatever you got going on. I really do appreciate y'all. I really, really do. So this Revolution Banana Deep, and then I'm gonna use this L'Oreal True Match, and I'm going to concoct a powder for under my eyes. I want a little lighter. Because again, like, I usually don't have to mix these guys, but y'all know it's summertime here in Kansas City. So, I mean, we just got into September, although I don't know when y'all gonna see this video, but this summer I got a little darker. And I don't do makeup a lot, so I think that's why I struggle with this eyeshadow today. Oh, yep. And we're about to be done in a minute, because I don't do too much, y'all.
What's up, baby? Tonight I got something real special for you. This is a night that you'll never forget. I know it seems like it's been a while since we've touched, since we've kissed. But guess what, baby?
It's daytime right now, so I'm gonna go in with this Milani, and it's called Spice Rose Powder Blush. Yeah, and I'm just gonna go in with that because I'm being in the sunshine, so I'm thinking it'll look cute since it's it kind of gives a little glow. And I will show you guys my outfit. Although I'm not going to show y'all guys. My hair is in a braid out right now and I've been pulling a ponytail. But the braid out is going to be another video. I already started it. So if you want to see what my hair looks like, check out the updated braid out tutorial that's going to be on my channel. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this e.l.f. It's actually a dark gray, but I meant to grab black, but I was moving too quick. But I'm going to just use it because you can't tell and bring my mole back out. And that's it. I got this one right here. I'll make it stand out some more. Okay. Then I'm going to take my Morphe mini continuous setting spray. I actually can't use my big one. I should pack this one actually. I just gotta make sure it ain't spitting. And I'm going to just set my face with that. I'm gonna go in with these e.l.f. lip glosses. They look like this. Let me get them right. They're the lip plumping, and this is in the color Mocha Twist. And then I have another one that is also lip plumping, and this one's in the color Mauve Lady. So I'm gonna put the one without the shimmers on first, right on top of my lip mask, because I'm not, it ain't gonna bother me.
What's up, baby?
Alright, let me put all this stuff out the way. So you guys, this here is the final makeup look. It's kind of thick. Okay, so let's do our edges and let's get dressed and take down our braids. But I will come back to you guys once my hair is down, out of my braids, and I'm in my outfit, okay? Because this is what I'm been looking like. So I'm going to take down my braid out and get dressed and come back and show you guys my outfit. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair and this is the makeup one last time. Just simple, kind of neutral. Don't really care for it. I mean, I'm glad that it's almost non-existent, if we're honest, but I already shared that. But the braid out came out beautiful. So if you want to see the full braid out, please be sure to check out that video. It's going to be up on my channel at some point, so you can see how I got all this good definition. And then let's check out the outfit. My top right here is from J-Lux Label. If I can find anything, I'll link it. Y'all excuse me, I'm having a, I don't know. I'm a little bloated, that's all I'm gonna say. But anyway, J-Lux Label is this little cutoff tank, and then the skirt is from Fashion Nova. So it's, and I have my house shoes on, and I'm just gonna wear it with these little clear slide-on shoes that I got from, I don't know where I got these, to be honest, but it looks like that. So, hope y'all can see it because I'm filming on my phone, but this is my outfit for part 1. I think that's all the angles I can get. And then I'm gonna get out of here because I'm making my husband and I run really late. Oh, he should have been gone like an hour and 20 minutes ago. Bye, you guys.